Minister Khemchand has informed that the Tronglaobi case will be handed over to National Investigation Agency (NIA) and massive operation is underway to nab the culprits. Chief Minister Khemchand was speaking to media persons at Secretariat campus, which was also attended by Home Minister Govindas Konthojam and other MLAs. Speaking further, Chief Minister Khemchand maintained that the incident at Tronglaobi was carried out with the aim to disrupt peaceful environment, and which organization the culprits belonged to could not be identified so far. Chief Minister Khemchand also informed that Assam Rifles, CRPF and state forces have been apprised to carry out operation to nab culprits. On the other hand, Chief Minister also assured ex gratia to family of 7-year-old girl victim from a Kampad relief camp.
Ngarang noalam daida thoki mo tokdok to adukimatik thamoi sokna nuaite NDA gi saminariba honorable yamga punna wari amata lawsi haidana yanan bada KSC NI edas sinaba haidana koi wari blogere loinana edi thoiba tokdoksi khitang peaceful atmosphere ma laksida shanti thuaiba pamba kangu soidana oigani haibagi thajabalai adubu singnariba potu hujik organization natraga individual singdu masak maming khangribanina madu simang siwi organization sinani haibadokti ngasimak haiba ai kitang ganganin khanjai security meeting ma tawjagre sarkar gi taraf tagi thamjagi basi ai sumba incident se amhona thoktana ba yaragadi thiro ngasimak phabi ro haibani helicopter ga tawni yakona operation chathari haidana thamami aduna masi khwaidagi laibak thiba noaitaba thawdo amane nai bayam thamjagi.
Speaking in the press meet, Home Minister Govindas Konthojam asserted that combined combing operation is underway to catch the culprits and also sought cooperation and calm from people in this tough and challenging time. While appealing for calm, Minister Govindas also informed about the unfortunate incident that unfolded during protest, which resulted to death of 2 individuals and bullet injuries to 5 persons. Govindas Konthojam also informed that 26 persons also sustained injuries owing to stampede and other reason. He also assured strong actions against non-Sioux groups and against those Sioux groups that violates norms of the pact. Speaking further, Minister Govindas Konthojam informed that massive operation using choppers is currently underway to nab the culprits in Tronglaobi incident.
Popular government ama lakpada protest tauba popular government ama lakpada lakhaningdaba aduga santi hanjilakpa si amuk thugainingba haijaba tare adugumba mioi khara natraga group ama na dumaina bom kapsinuna Tronglaobi da yam nauriba angang ani aduga mama ama sokpa angang ani dudi akoi leihidre laibak thibadagi culprit sing se thidoknaba massive combing operation ama taunaba kanna khoi honajabani adubu laibak thibadagi haijaba tare operation gi sanction bada miyam si aman bana makoi sanction bada khajitang thengba operation tawraga ngasai gi culprit oiba minungsi yaudra adugumba mioi se du phana na ba khoi honajari khoi sauna raba igi praja sing pen raba praja sing da khoi gi thamoi phathabiu khoi sarkar gi side gi security measures sing laura harga ngasai security meeting da makoi si hingna natraga sina makoi si phangna ba hona da ba yade aidana hoji combing operation yam kanna chathari